Harnessing the power of YouTube and affiliate marketing could be your ticket to financial freedom. Imagine you're a fisherman. Your content, my friends, is your bait. You know what separates the winners from the rest in the affiliate marketing game? Ever wondered how some people manage to make a whopping 6 figures with affiliate marketing? Well, let's talk about it. Affiliate marketing, in its essence, is a powerful way to generate significant income. It's not a golden ticket to instant wealth, but a journey that requires hard work, dedication, and a strategic approach. With the right tools and mindset, you can tap into this potential and reap the rewards. Isn't it intriguing to think that your dedication to affiliate marketing could transform your financial future? Have you ever considered the powerful combination of YouTube and affiliate marketing? Picture this, a platform with over 2 billion logged-in users monthly, providing a vast audience for your affiliate marketing efforts. This is the magic of YouTube. It's not just about the numbers, though. It's also about the potential for free, regular traffic generation. When you delve into the world of YouTube and affiliate marketing, you unlock a treasure trove of opportunities. One of the keys to unlocking this treasure is keyword research. Why is it so important? Well, it helps you identify the best keywords to rank for buyer intent. This means you're not just attracting any viewers, but viewers who are ready and willing to buy what you're promoting. This powerful combination doesn't just help you reach an audience, it helps you reach the right audience. And reaching the right audience, my friends, can make all the difference. Harnessing the power of YouTube and affiliate marketing could be your ticket to financial freedom. You've probably heard it a million times, but it's worth repeating. Content is king. Now, this isn't just a catchy phrase thrown around. It's a fundamental truth in the realm of affiliate marketing. But what does it mean? It's about creating content so valuable, so solution-oriented, that your viewers can't help but come back for more. Imagine you're a fisherman. Your content, my friends, is your bait. The tastier the bait, the more fish you'll attract. And these aren't just any fish, but the right kind. Those who are genuinely interested in your niche, your products. Now it's time to smash that like button, hit the notification bell, subscribe to our channel, and share this video to anyone who needs this. This will help our channel to rank higher. Thank you for your support. But it's not enough to just throw out a delicious morsel once in a while. You need to keep a consistent schedule. Think of it as setting a dinner table at the same time. Every day, your audience will come to expect it, and they'll show up, hungry for what you have to offer. Remember, your content is the bait that attracts your audience. Make it irresistible. You know what separates the winners from the rest in the affiliate marketing game? Persistence and resilience. In this journey, you'll encounter challenges, obstacles, and at times, even setbacks. But remember, it's not about how many times you stumble. It's about how many times you get back up, dust yourself off, and keep going. This is where the power of persistence and resilience comes into play. Hard work and dedication are not just buzzwords. They're the fuel that propels your affiliate marketing engine. They're the light that guides you through the dense fog of competition. They are the compass that keeps you on track when you're lost in the sea of algorithms and keyword research. Resilience is your shield against adversity, your armor against failure. It's the grit that keeps you going when others have thrown in the towel. It's the unwavering belief in your ability to succeed, no matter the odds. So stay committed, keep pushing, and remember that every hurdle is a stepping stone to success. As the saying goes, it's hard to beat a person who never gives up. So, are you ready to venture into the rewarding world of affiliate marketing? We've covered a lot of ground today, so let's take a moment to recap. Firstly, we delved into the power of affiliate marketing. This dynamic and profitable strategy allows you to earn substantial income by promoting products or services you believe in. It's a win-win for both you and the company whose product you're endorsing. Next, we explored the magic that happens when YouTube and affiliate marketing join forces. With YouTube's vast user base and the power of video content, you can reach a wide audience and drive significant traffic to your affiliate links. The key here is to use effective keyword research to identify the best keywords that will rank for buyer intent. We then emphasize the importance of content, the king of any marketing strategy. By creating valuable, problem-solving content, you not only establish trust with your viewers, but also position yourself as an authority in your niche. Finally, we underscored the need for persistence and resilience. Success in affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight. It takes hard work, dedication, and a never-give-up attitude. Consistency in your content schedule is also vital to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. With these secrets, you're well on your way to making 6 figures with affiliate marketing. Your journey towards financial freedom begins now. Remember, the sky's the limit. If you want to go deeper in the process to learn the fundamentals you need to start a successful online business, watch this video next.